Morning guys, and in front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Personalization. Here, pick the album that you want to pick your wallpaper from. Let me choose, for example, this one. Now mark apply and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I'll pick third option, which is both. Agree. And that's it. It is already set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.